Unlocking the mysteries of SpaceX's Starship, the main tank's role. Our journey begins with SpaceX's ambitious Starship, an innovation designed to make interplanetary travel a reality for mankind. The heart of this Starship is the main tank, a marvel of engineering that holds the fuel propelling us beyond Earth's atmosphere. Constructed with stainless steel, the main tank is more than just a container. It handles extreme temperatures, resisting both the chill of space and the heat of re-entry. The tank's interior is divided into two sections. The larger houses liquid oxygen while the other stores methane, together forming the rocket's propellant. The main tank isn't just for fuel storage. Its structure also bolsters Starship's overall strength, acting as a crucial component in the spacecraft's skeleton. Lastly, the main tank's role extends to landing. It retains fuel for a controlled descent back on Earth, enabling Starship's reusability. So, when gazing at the Starship, remember the main tank. It's not just a part, it's the heart of SpaceX's vision for interplanetary travel.